I know you're surprised I have something to say on this subject. So,
go for it.
First, I'd like to reiterate what I said previously on this bill. Other countries like Finland, when they talk about early childhood education, they're talking about 6-year-olds. They don't start formal education till 7. We're grabbing toddlers at 3 and 4, taking them out of the home and putting them into a government system. I cannot express enough how much I'm against that. Private preschool that parents go and they choose and they know what's happening and they have more control and say over it, that's a family decision. Secondly, people snickered at your remark, Representative Cordelli, about Goldman Sachs paying the parents. I actually think that's where we need to go back to. The parents that can't support their children in home education at 3 and 4 years old should have our support and help them to read on a level where they can reach their children, get books in the hands of those families, and that's where we need to begin. On Representative Boehm's statement, and this is my last remark, I can send this to everybody, but I will read briefly. The National Institute of Child Health and Human Development, which conducted a rigorous longitudinal study of the effects of child care on children under 5. Over 1,000 children were tracked from infancy to kindergarten by investigators at over 20 prominent research universities. Researchers found that the more time kids spent in non-maternal care during the first 4.5 years of life, the more behavioral problems they developed. These children at 3 and 4 years old should be in the arms of their parents, being taught by their parents. I've also had kindergarten teachers come to me in Manchester, where we now have full-day kindergarten, saying it was a mistake, that it should have been offered, but not. We should have had a program where they could have gone half-day if that was what was best for the child. I think we need to get back to looking at families and children at young ages and keep them in their families. Thank you.